One day in the gold fields, John and Mike Farley, brothers from Boston, were mining for gold in the mountains of California. They dreamed of striking it rich in the Sierra Nevadas, heading back home to Boston, and helping the sick and the poor have better lives. One day, John had found 3 huge gold nuggets, each the size of a sailor hat. Mike was extremely jealous because it was his idea to come to California in the first place. Now, John would be seen as the hero back home, while Mike would just be the brother of the hero.
How'd you find those gold nuggets, brother?
Brother, all I did was just dig a little deeper where you had just been. I guess I was a lucky brother.
Brother, I have to tell you, I'm mighty jealous right now, brother. I would sure like it if you shared the good fortune with me, brother.
Oh, brother. Of course I will share my success with you. We're not just brothers, but partners as well. I just don't know how to split the nugget so that we both receive an equal share, partner.
Give me the nuggets, brother. I'll fix the situation.
Mike spent the rest of the day asking the other miners how to split the nugget in half. Another miner by the name of Pitch Pine Billy suggested they take their nuggets into town and turn them in for money.
You did it, brother. Now we'll be able to go back home and you'll be the hero and help everybody in need.
Correct, brother. We will be heroes.
The brothers returned to Boston and helped improve many people's lives by donating much of their fortune to the sick and the poor. Because the brothers were able to work together and share, they are richer than any man alive.